The Teams feature allows multiple developers and form builders to collaborate and have access to projects and stages. Any user on the platform can create a new team and assign it to a project they own or administrate. After a team is created, Form.IO users can be assigned to it, granting them access to the projects and stages associated with that team. There are two different team levels. Project teams are added to the entire Form.IO project, granting users assigned to that team permission rights to all stages within the project, including the live stage associated with your live application. Alternatively, stage teams can be added to specific stages, restricting their permission rights from other stages within the project. Stage teams are utilized when you want to delegate team permissions to a specific stage, for example, a developer stage, while restricting that team from accessing the live stage connected to your live application or other stages within the project. It's important to understand that a team added on the project level will always override that same team added on the stage level. Meaning, if Team A is added to the project with admin permissions, and the same Team A is added to a stage with write permissions, the admin permissions at the project level will be applied to all stages within the project and override the stage write permissions. In other words, stage teams are never additive to the project level. In order to add a stage team, that team must first be added on the project level with access permission. Once the team has access permission to the project, team read or write permission can then be delegated to the desired stage. Once a team has been created, the team will be available for project assignment. Only project owners or project admins can assign or remove teams for a project. As a project admin or owner, navigate to a project you wish to assign a team. Click the Teams button in the left-hand navigation bar, click the Add Team dropdown, and select a team to add to the project. After adding a team, select the permission the team member should have. All team members associated with the team will carry the selected permission. Once a team has been assigned, all members of that team share the same assigned permissions. You can assign multiple teams to a single project for more control over different teams. Let's review the different team permissions. Project access provides the user access to a project without giving any functional permission to read or modify. Project access permission is granted to users who need read or write permission for a specific stage, while being restricted from accessing the live stage or other stages within the project. Project read grants team members permission to read forms and submission data on the project level. However, forms and data cannot be modified, and the user cannot access any of the project or stage settings. Project write grants team members permission to read and update both forms and submission data in the entire project level. This permission restricts access to project settings, configurations, and other sensitive information found in the Project and Stage Settings tab. Project Admin grants read and write permissions, as well as full access to the project and stage settings, configuration, and sensitive data configurations within the Settings tab. Project admins are also allowed to add and remove teams from the project.